The W Black 2TB SN850P SSD is an officially licensed storage expansion for PlayStation 5 consoles, ensuring seamless compatibility and easy installation. With capacities ranging from 1 terabyte to 4 terabytes, this SSD provides ample space to store up to 100 games, making it a perfect solution for avid gamers. It features an optimized heatsink specifically designed for the PlayStation 5's M.2 slot, which helps maintain optimal performance and prevents overheating during intense gaming sessions. The drive allows you to play directly from it without needing to transfer or delete games, offering a hassle-free gaming experience. Boasting read speeds of up to 7,300 megabytes per second, this SSD delivers incredibly short load times and seamless gameplay. Included in the box is a 14-day trial of PlayStation Plus Premium, granting instant access to hundreds of games and enhancing the overall gaming experience.